Hi guys, Pete from plasmacutter.co.nz. Just a little video about a PT31 plasma cutting torch. PT31 plasma torch. Here we have one here. This is just a standard generic PT31 plasma cutting torch. Standard torch here, on off switch. You put your air line in here. Your consumables go in here. Just like so. Consumables in here, swirl ring there. Your swirl ring creates a bit of a vortex when your compressed air comes in through here, and this creates a bit of a vortex which gets your air spinning, which goes into your tip like that, which gives you the nice cutting arc. So this is a PT31 torch. We have another version of a PT31 torch here, which is like a CNC torch, which you can use either like as a pencil torch. You can draw with it and cut things out like that, or you can put it onto a machine if you have a CNC machine, and it does it automatically with the computer. So we can pull this one to pieces, pull this one to bits, like so. And there we have the connector there for our compressed air line that goes to your compressor, and then that's just the basic torch head, like so. This one here is using a shorter consumable, but the shorter and longer consumables fit on the same torch body. That is exactly the same as this here, identical, just the torch body is different, and the consumables are identical as well. So PT31 straight torch, this one. And what else, we'll just put this back together. And if you want to use this torch like as a pencil torch, you notice this one hasn't got a switch on it, whereas this one here has got a switch on it. Then all you do is get one of these little strap-on switches, so you can put on with a little strap, you know, little ratchet ties, little plastic ties. This here goes to your machine onto your 2-pin plug that most of these little plasma cutters have, and you can just use it like that, and you can just draw with it or whatever you want to do, and it yeah, it works fine. And then we have another version of exactly the same torch. Once again, it just depends on what sort of machine that you're on and what sort of torch come out of the factory, but these are all exactly the same PT31 plasma torches, exactly the same. Pull this to pieces. We have exactly the same in here, where your air line goes in, exactly the same here. Pull that off, goes in like that. It's the same thing. These will take any sort of consumables as well, with your swirl ring there, and that goes on there. As long as it's a PT31 or LG40 cut 50 consumables, they all fit exactly the same torch. And this one here has a built-in switch like that, whereas this one, this flat one here, will have the little click-on switch like that, whereas this model of it has it built in here. It's all exactly the same. 2 wires coming out there, go into your 2-pin plug into your welding cutter machine. Okay guys, that's it. Check the details below if you need to buy plasma cutter torches, PT31 torch, and yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching guys, hope you learned something. If you need to buy some plasma consumables or a plasma cutter torch, click the links below.